guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to do actually it was a requested one. We are going to do a drugstore Valentine's Day look. You guys asked for it. I actually don't have plans for Valentine's Day, but I thought this would be a really nice, soft, romantic kind of a look. It's like a wash of rose. Let's get right into it. So let's get started with the base. I am going to use this new booster drop. This makes you a little bit more glowy and tan. It's like the first time I'm using this. This is by e.l.f. And then just to highlight my cheeks, this is the L'Oreal Lumi True Match. I'm just applying that to the top of my cheekbones. And for foundation, Revlon actually sent me this like huge package of makeup. So they sent me their new Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter. I have two shades here that I think might be my color. This applicator is kind of weird. Let me see what a darker color looks like. So I have this one. I feel like this one is too dark. So this is called True Beige. This is 320. It looks so much deeper. Actually, this one's gonna work. It looks so much deeper than this one, right? Isn't that such a crazy difference? For concealer, I'm gonna use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I'm just gonna take my favorite concealer brush and buff that out. So since this is a Valentine's look, do you guys have plans for Valentine's? Let me know what you're doing in the comments below so I can live through you because, well, actually, you know what I'm doing? I'm gonna go to the Dua Lipa concert like before Valentine's, so super excited. So now our base is done. I'm gonna move into my eyebrows. Again, I'm gonna use this product from Revlon. So it has like a little pomade and then the color. Fill in these scars that I have. And then with the spoolie side and this like pomade, scraping it like that. I'm just gonna brush them. I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow and I'm going to be using this palette here. I hope this counts as drugstore. I mean, BH Cosmetics is like very, very affordable. Don't they sell this at Ulta? Right? I don't know, it's really dope. I've been really liking this palette. This is the Zodiac. So, I am a Virgo. How about you guys? What's your name? What's your sign? So first I'm going to start with this pink here. I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. Now I'm going to take this like darker pink shade, or it's like mauve-y. So I'm just taking this flatter brush and I'm going to start blending outwards. So I'm going to take this brown here. Kind of define that socket right there. And I'm just touching up the pink again with my finger. So I'm going to take Leo, which is here, and I'm just going to take it on my finger like that and just pat it kind of like on the center of my lid here. Like they show up, which is so nice. So Virgo is like a champagne-y, like in between the pink. It's kind of like a rose gold, I guess. So I'm going to take that and put it in the inner corner. So I'm going to take a little bit of Scorpio actually on this brush here and just kind of blend everything so it has like some warmth. So just like that up here. I'll just take some of this foundation and put it here. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. liner and just rim my eyes so it has some definition. With a flat brush and the dark brown again, I'm just going to hit super close to the lash line. I'm going to use the Catrice Lash Dresser Comb Mascara and I'm going to wing my lashes out. I feel like they look more flirty, glittery. For blush, I'm gonna use this by e.l.f. These are cream blushes and they're so pretty. So I'm gonna take this color here. I thought that one is so pretty. So I'm just gonna take this one, just kind of swirl it on here like that. Oh my gosh, it's so pigmented. Look at that. I'm just gonna take the foundation brush and just kind of push that around so it looks more calm. Damn, that thing is really pigmented, more pigmented than I thought. But it gives a nice little flush of color. To define my cheeks, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche. Start contouring. So I want super, super glossy skin. I mean, that foundation was a lot more matte than I actually expected. So I am really glad that I went in with that L'Oreal True Match underneath. So I am going to use this cream e.l.f. shimmer palette, this shade here, and then mix it in with the last like pinky shade. That's what I've kind of been doing. And I'm just going to hit my cheekbones. Buff that out. I mean, it gives you so much beam. Basically all the high points, but I want it like super beamy. Glossy, glossy skin. Even tapping it on the brow bone. And on one side, the same side as this, I want to put here so it just looks like that. For lips, I'm going to use the Revlon Kiss. They also sent me these. These are the plumping lip creams. There's so many great like pinky nude colors. If you're into that, you should definitely check out this line. And it's creamy, kind of glossy, but more creamy than glossy. I'm going to mix it in with a darker one. Velvet Mink. These are so comfortable and they just kind of like fade into the lips. They're very like effortless. And now I'm just gonna hit my face because I did want really, really dewy skin. I'm gonna use this. This is the Dewy Setting Mist by e.l.f. That's why sometimes I don't mind matte foundations, because you can just always add so much dew, like my face doesn't look matte, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna quickly put some like romantic curls through my hair just to kind of make it a little more soft. Whenever I have this much makeup on, I really like to like mess everything up. I'll leave you a link of how I do my hair in the description box, so check that out if you are interested in the hair. But it's super, super easy, and I'll show you guys my outfit because why not? First off, look at this cute bag that I just found. If this does not scream me, I got it on eBay. It's like a hot sauce packet. Thought that's perfect for Valentine's Day. This top, this is from Sabo Skirt, and it actually has a little set. It came with the skirt, but I mean, it would be really cute, but I just wanted to kind of tone it down with jeans. So let me back up. So I just put on these like lighter wash denim, and I thought that was super, super cute. And if you don't have Valentine's Day plans, let's meet up. Let's go dancing or something. I don't know. I don't have plans either. So yeah, that is my outfit, hair, makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And like I said, leave me your Valentine's Day plans. I'd love to, you know, see what you guys are up to. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.